In this lesson, we will explore the main types of inventory that organizations manage: raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and MRO inventory. Understanding these categories is vital for building an efficient inventory control system that supports production, distribution, and service operations. Let's start with raw materials. Raw materials are the basic inputs used in the manufacturing process. They are the unprocessed items or natural resources that are transformed into finished goods. For example, steel for automobile manufacturing, flour for bakeries, or cotton for textile production. Managing raw materials effectively ensures that production lines never stop due to shortages and that capital is not tied up in excessive stock. Companies use forecasting, supplier coordination, and just-in-time delivery systems to maintain the right levels of raw materials. The second type of inventory is work in progress, often abbreviated as WIP. Work in progress represents goods that are currently being manufactured but are not yet completed. These items are somewhere between raw materials and finished products. For instance, partially assembled electronics, half-painted furniture, or an unfinished garment on a production line. WIP inventory is crucial because it directly impacts production flow and efficiency. Too much WIP can lead to bottlenecks, higher storage costs, and difficulty tracking progress. On the other hand, too little WIP may cause idle time in production. The goal is to maintain a balanced level that keeps the manufacturing process running smoothly. Next, we have finished goods. These are products that have completed the manufacturing process and are ready for sale or distribution. Finished goods are what customers ultimately buy. Managing this inventory type involves demand forecasting, order fulfillment, and maintaining service levels. Excess finished goods can lead to obsolescence, especially in industries with short product life cycles, while insufficient stock can cause missed sales opportunities. Businesses aim to strike a balance, ensuring that products are available to meet demand without accumulating unnecessary inventory. The fourth category is MRO inventory, which stands for maintenance, repair, and operations. MRO items are not part of the final product but are essential to keep the organization running. This includes tools, lubricants, cleaning supplies, spare parts, and safety equipment. For example, a factory may stock spare machine parts or maintenance tools to prevent downtime. Though often overlooked, MRO inventory plays a critical role in sustaining productivity and minimizing operational disruptions. Managing MRO inventory requires visibility into usage patterns, supplier reliability, and reorder points to ensure equipment remains in good condition. Understanding these four types of inventory also highlights the importance of coordination across departments. For instance, purchasing teams focus on raw materials, production teams oversee WIP, sales teams track finished goods, and maintenance departments handle MRO. Each category has its own management techniques, yet all must align with the company's overall supply chain strategy. It's also worth noting that technology enhances visibility and control over these different types of inventory. Modern ERP and warehouse management systems allow organizations to track raw materials through each stage of production until they become finished goods, while simultaneously managing MRO supplies. This integration helps reduce waste, improve forecasting accuracy, and ensure optimal inventory levels across the board. In summary, raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and MRO are the four fundamental categories of inventory. Each serves a distinct purpose. Raw materials feed production, WIP supports ongoing manufacturing, finished goods fulfill customer demand, and MRO ensures operational continuity. Mastering the management of all four categories enables businesses to maintain efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver consistent value to customers. By understanding how these inventories interact, organizations can create a synchronized flow from procurement to production to delivery, achieving true excellence in inventory control.